You've already learned the Russian alphabet in block letters? Congratulations! Being able to identify and write the Russian letters in printed text when they're standing to attention is a big achievement. But now it's time to take the next step, recognizing and writing their more relaxed counterparts who happily hold hands when they form words, the beautifully flowing letters of Russian cursive. On your journey, you'll discover a trio of letters who, despite, or perhaps because of their laid-back character, interrupt the rhythm of handwritten Russian by insisting on giving everyone a high five. And then there's the band of musketeer siblings, the only capital letters in Russian handwriting that always wear a hat. Curious about where this adventure will take you? Step by step, letter by letter, you'll work your way towards reading and writing a wide variety of words, including some that, at first glance, look like an endless string of ups and downs. Discover and master handwritten Russian with the book Russian Handwriting in One Go, available in bookstores and on Amazon.